You're not going to be able to find this information anywhere else. You can Google it, you can ask ChatGPT, they're going to have no fucking clue. And that's because what you're about to learn can only be learned through experience.
This purchase will show you how to make primary trade lines using the credit card companies. It's a fact. And I'm going to say that one more time. It's a fact that no one can report credit lines or trade lines in today's marketplace. The only people that can report trade lines are the large rich companies that have credit reporting accounts with one of the 3 credit reporting bureaus. Period. That's a fact. The bottom line, if you're not a large rich company with thousands of clients forking over thousands of dollars in monthly fees, you will not be reporting any credit accounts. Period. That's a fact. Or at least that's what they tell you. Well, guess what? There's always a loophole, and we're going to show you how to use them and their loophole to your advantage. Most of you know, and it's common knowledge, you can call the credit card company, add someone as an authorized user, and 15 to 30 days later, the authorized user will be added and reporting to your credit report. This is a fact. The problem with authorized user trade lines is that they simply no longer generate credit approvals, with only authorized users showing on your credit profile. You need primary accounts for their scoring matrix to generate approvals. Period. That's a fact. This purchase will show you how to create primary trade lines using the exact same credit card companies that you see every day. You do not need to call customer service. You do not need to have an account or existing credit card like you would to add an authorized user. You can add primary trade line accounts to anyone you want. You will receive step-by-step 1, 2, 3 instructions with links to the lenders where you can add these primary trade lines to you or your clients. The information you will receive is fully reusable, meaning if you're a broker or reseller, this information can be applied to all of your clients. Make the purchase now. Learn how to create primary trade lines. FYI, this information will show you how to make primary trade line accounts and not authorized user trade line accounts. Get started now. We fully endorse and support this product.